maker.
And Chris, there's still plenty of time. They don't have to necessarily say, let's go to the air all the time.
No, but you might want to go a little bit of tempo. If anything, just to get Marcus into some rhythm. Sometimes, again, tempo helps quarterbacks get in rhythm.
Murray loses the ball. And the Vikings
Sendejo.
pick it up again. Sendejo. How about the Viking defense in the second half? Andrew Sendejo with the fumble recovery. 2 in the last 2 possessions by the Titans, and then they had the interception on the previous one.
Just a little bit of self-destruct mode.
Yep.
DeMarco Murray, watch the air come between the ball and his body. Once that air, you can see air between his ball and body right there, that's when you know that that ball becomes vulnerable, and defenses are taught if they see that football, start clubbing away at it, and because it got away with his body, he could not secure it.